So hey my boutique babes, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this time we're going to be showing you our lightweight high-rise linen pants in the color peach. Perfect for spring and summer because this is what our next collection launch is all about, is pieces that are going to be perfect for spring and summer, lightweight, airy, and breathable materials and fabrics, right? So let's hop right into it. So this is going to be a size small, and this is available in regular sizes and plus sizes, and there's also other colors that will be offered too. But I'm loving this already. Look at these. Let's see. Yeah, this is the front. Look at these. Let me stand up so you can see them better. And they're wide leg. They're the perfect length. They're long length, and I have long legs, so y'all will be able to see the length though better when we go live and feature all these items, and you can see the pictures in the collection. But this is the material. And they're partially lined, so you don't have to worry about your underwear or anything showing because there's shorts like a liner in them, so you don't have to worry about that. But these are the things that you pay for when it comes to quality. Nothing see-through, no cheap materials, no having to worry about undergarments showing through or worrying about what color panties you got on, because let's be real, that's a concern for us all the time, especially with light colors like this. So yeah, pockets, and like I said, these are gonna be high rise, so they're gonna cinch in the waist, make the waist look cute, and they're gonna be perfect to be able to dress up or dress down, or to make a high fashion look. Even if you wear it with just a bodysuit, you can pair it with another linen top, which this does have a matching top to go along with it also, so we'll be featuring that soon. You can pair it with a denim shirt. Just, it's different ways to go about it of how you can make it look cute. A crop top because it's high rise, so us mamas that don't want to show down here in case we show off our little stretch marks or something like that, you can wear a crop top but have it meet in the middle, so that way you won't be showing off any skin and you won't be showing off a belly button or anything, right? So yeah, perfect for summer and spring, really cute, and I can't wait to be able to show the rest to you. Love you, Beautique Babes.